you home? He is probably around back. Jesus, would it kill him to clean up around here? Oh, crap. Crusader?
Just drive. Go.
Jesus! What in the hell was that thing? What's going on?
That's one of Dr. Denied's delinquinators. He's got them all over the city looking for you and me. It just so happens that today I'm going to be doing a review of the Bass Pro Shop credit card. And boy, I'm going to tell you what, I'm glad I'm packing heat, because today I'm going to need it if that thing comes back. Now, just so you guys know, before you go to apply for the Bass Pro Shop credit card, you need to make sure you're pre-approved. I'm going to leave a link in the description that you can actually go enter your information to see if you're pre-qualified before you burn a hard inquiry. The card's done through Capital One. It's a MasterCard, which means you're going to be able to use it at other places, and it's relatively easy to get. It's through Capital One. I would strongly recommend having some strong AUs on there. You can get them at TRADELINE Vault if you don't know where to get them. And I would also recommend preferably having a primary on there. You may be able to get away with getting approved for it with just AUs, but I mean the primary is going to definitely make it way easier and smoother for you to get it. Now, when it comes to getting this card, you need to make sure you sign up for their free membership program before you apply. You sign up for that first. Then you go ahead, try the pre-approval portion. I'm going to leave a link in the description to see if they say you're going to qualify. If they say yes, then you really want to go for it, then go ahead and apply and see what happens. And just because they say you're pre-qualified, that doesn't mean you're going to get qualified for some reason, but it's definitely a good indicator. This card works with credit profiles, it's easy to get, and like I said, it's a MasterCard, so you're going to be able to use it anywhere.
Crusader, wrap it up. He's coming up behind us.
Oh crap, he's back? Guys, I'm getting in the back.
He's on our ass. That's it. Blast his ass. Hold on. Holy shit. Okay, what the hell is going on? I thought this was a credit channel. That's it. Let him have it. Crusader, get down! My car can't take much more of this. Try shooting his gas tank. Boom, bitch.
For hundreds of more information-packed videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you're looking to take your knowledge to the next level, explore my workshops at thecrusadercave.com. I offer entertainment workshops on CPNs, public records, how to get cars, apartments. Hell, I've even got a workshop that shows you how to reassign zombie debt, and so much more. So don't forget to check out thecrusadercave.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Crusader out.